Materials for the facilities, drugs and medicines, supplies, equipments, instruments and facility. Drugs and medicines, supplies, equipments and instruments and facilities. Drugs and medicines that are used for prevention and treatment of various types of ailments, including anesthetic agent, vaccine and drugs required for the specific purpose, antibiotics and other drugs. Supplies, cotton bandage, dressing materials, syringes, needles, trays, bottles, linen and utensils that are related directly or indirectly to the treatment. Linen like draw sheet, bed cover, mattresses, pillows. Mass effect of a comprehensive list of supplies of hospital requirements has to be prepared and will need updating and modification from time to time depending on the time of expertise, personal levels of technology available in the hospital. Equipments and instruments, sterilization, X-ray machine, diagnostic equipment, auto analyzer, cell counter, ELISA reader, blood gas analysis, oxygen, nitric oxide gas cylinders, cooking, LPG cylinders, mechanical laundry washing machine and incinerators for biomedical waste management may also be used as tools. Ambulance and vehicles are also part of supplies. Facilities, normally these are non-movable materials, fixed assets used for a long term compared to equipment that have a limited lifespan. These include building, toilets, lifts, water tanks and pumps, wells, kitchens and cooking facilities, and telephones and public address systems. The number and type of article that is needed, it will vary in each unit. Factors that serve as guides in getting the standard equipment include the following: number of beds in the unit, type of services given on the unit, age of the patient, sex of the patient, type of diseases, cost of the item, durability of the items, period of time between ordering and receipt of new stock. Some articles like mattresses, lockers need to be equal to the number of beds, whereas others should be inadequate proportions such as bedpans to the number of beds. Sweatpans may be of 2 or 3 patients. Surgical units may require many times not required by the medical unit. The children's ward require furniture different from the ward of 4 elderly patients, and unconscious patients will require side rails. Perishable articles will have to be kept in a greater number than those that are non-perishable articles. Those articles which can be used only once, such as dressing and Foley's catheter, with need to be stocked in large quantities. Replacement. The frequency of ordering new supply is very important. Some supplies need to be invented daily, some weekly, or others may be monthly or yearly. Also, some items last for many years and required to be replaced after a long period. Regularized method for ordering the equipment and supplies, broken, perished, or no longer in use may be condemned. The use systems followed in almost all hospitals is getting every payable article's content are sold before issuing new ones. Broken or useless articles that are presented before the person or a committee for condemning and getting new ones issued.